Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to another day on the adventure bus. I think I will call this the bathroom series. Yesterday we got started on the walls in the bathroom. So we have our dent shield up on the walls. So you can see here we have it on both sides. Our Flex Seal has worked perfectly to seal the ceiling and kind of make it waterproof, which is exactly what we wanted. So this is where we're at. So what I got to do now is I'm going to clean all this up. I brought a drop cloth instead of this diaper box. And then here, I don't foresee water going back there ever at all, to be quite honest, because the shower head's up here, so that the water's going to come this way. But I just, even when I straighten this up with tile, I just don't really like the way it looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of wood here, and then the tile will kind of go across that piece of wood. So that's my plan there. Super happy with the way the shelf turned out. Everything is sealed. I'm going to put some thin set mortar over top of all of the seams as well, but there's caulking in them. And that was as per the instructions for the board. This piece isn't in yet. I have to put this piece in today. I need some, I had to get a scrap piece of wood for some backer right there. But yeah, it's coming along. So gonna finish this up today. Get a whole bunch of cleaning done, because as you can see, it's a disaster. That's it. That's what's on the agenda. So let's get started. Okay, so I think I can check the bathroom walls off the list. I've got the mesh tape installed. Put some modified thin set over top of the mesh tape. Kind of mesh taped everywhere. And hopefully, I mean, it's going to be as waterproof as it can be. And then the leak seal stuff has worked perfect on the ceiling. And those holes are for the fan, so. There you go. Happy I put down the drop cloth. So, that project needs to dry, and I guess we need to pick out tile next. I think I'm gonna go, I don't know, probably with a smaller subway tile, just something classic. But yet to be determined. I definitely want to put tile, but I'm not I'm not a fan of it. I do it, and I don't do it a bad job at it, but it's not my favorite thing. Okay, so just gonna kind of clean up back there and put everything away, and I'd say that was a pretty successful trip over to the adventure bus today. We got the walls up yesterday and got them all patched and filled today, and they'll dry, and when we have some time we'll throw some tile on the wall, and then it's gonna start looking really nice and finished for sure.